Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Property and welcome to Townhouse 1 at number 1 Power Court in the beachside suburb of Mt Coolum. What I love most is that this quaint property is as neat as a pin and that the living and garden areas are exceptionally private. You have the ability to entertain family and friends with room to spread from the living area out into the backyard. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a homely property with generous green space, walking distance from the beach and shops, I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. For those overseas or interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.